Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome. So, in my channel, what I try to do is not to throw any of the plastic, glass, or tin or any cardboard box that I already used around the house. And basically, I try to reuse it and repurpose it for a different use, different purpose around the house, and then I use it maybe like a organizational stuff, or maybe like a home decor, or maybe like the garden decor or things like that. So that's my main aim. Basic reason is like I don't like landfill a lot, so as much as possible I try to avoid that to keep the environment green. So yeah, today I have a couple of things that I have around my house. So this is actually a box, so it's actually very strong box. So what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to cover this box with the liner, the shelf liner. I got this from Dollar Tree, and after I actually covered this nicely with one more layer of a tape, I'm going to stick this around this box. And these are actually cranberry juice bottles that we used. So I'm going to paint this as well after removing the sticker and removing the glue, all the glue strings around the bottle. I'm going to use like a glue gun from Dollar Tree and remove all the glue strings around this bottle. And I'm going to paint this bottle white. I'm thinking white or black. I got two of these colors from Dollar Tree, the chalk paint and the apple barrel white. I'll pick one of these colors and then paint the bottles, and also cover this with this vinyl, the shelf liner. So this is a look I wanted to basically give, like a small stool or a table like thing, like that. Like these four bottles will be the legs of this table, and I wanted to use this for something like that. So this is one of the project that I want to do. And this is actually the glass broke, the candle stand that you can use it around the garden or anywhere around the house. So the glass broke, so I got this from Dollar Tree, this flower vase, and I painted shiny green. Basically I spray painted, and I also got this nice cute angel. I also got this from Dollar Tree, that one that when you put in water that shrinks and gets bigger. So that's the one this is. So I got this from kids section, and I soaked in water and she grew big. And I like Tinkerbell a lot because she is all of hope and belief, and she's full of energy. So I kind of like that character a lot. So what I'm planning to do is like give her a nice green paint to it, green paint to her. So I gave like a sparkly spray. I ran out of the spray, so rest I'm going to decorate with the green paint around the house that I have. So I'm going to put her inside the jar, and I'm going to put this like the candle stand like that, and I'm going to decorate. I'll come up with a plan to do that. And also the lid of the spray bottle, this is the color actually sprayed, Krylon, and I don't want to throw this is plastic, so I'm going to also decorate this. Maybe I'll give a feet for this bottle like that. I'll see what I can do with this. So yeah, these are the two things I wanted to do, and I will paint and also do all the the work to get ready to the project. So, and I'll be back. Hey guys, welcome back, and a quick update on everything. I just painted the cranberry juice bottles that I was saying. I just gave two coats, and it looks like it needs one more coat. So it's drying up. So after it dries up, I'm going to give one more coat of this white paint. And I also painted this jar that I was talking about, the flower vase. I painted this color that I had in my leftover from my previous project. So this color is close to this spray paint that I was painting, and then I said that I ran out, so I used this paint to fill up the gaps. So yeah, and that one. And then for this fairy, I also painted the green paint, And for her body, I painted this color, peachy pink. And for her hair, I gave this black chalkboard paint, and I had small dot on her flower. So yeah, I wanted to give her like a fairy look. So what the plan is to stuff her inside the bottom of the vase like that, and then I'm going to put the light on top like that. So this also I spray painted gold before I started the project. So, and I also have this nice electric votive that I got during Christmas time from Dollar Tree, and it goes like that. So I'm gonna put that in this, and then decorate like that. So remember the lid of the spray paint, the green paint, I'm going to also decorate this. I'm going to attach like this on top of, on below, like a foot of the flower vase. I think that's the decor I can think of as of now. So, and also there's a gap, one hole in this. I inserted a leaf from one of the flower bunch, and then I'm going to decorate it like this. So yeah, let's get started. So there you have it, guys. I just stuck the cap as like a foot of the flower vase, and she's like, beautifully like her garden. I created like her garden. I gave like a pink flower, silk flower, and then I had this, the back part of the flower for one of the projects. I removed the back part, the inner plastic parts of the flower. So this kind of looks like a flower by itself. So what I did was I just stuck one of the blue glass gem like that to give like a flower and a dewdrop on the top of the flower kind of a look. So yeah, I kind of like that. So I had two of them in the glass bottle. So it kind of looks like a place for her to, sit down and rest. And this is her lamp, her own exclusive lamp, her room, her house maybe. So, and I created like a, a four petal flower leaves, and then I stuck a gem to give like a dewdrop effect to it. So I'm going to decorate like this in my front porch. like this. So this is like one of the candle um, holder that got broke, the glass broke, so I'm using this with the flower vase. And this is one of the fairy that I got from Dollar Tree, and this is one of the sprayers caps. So we are not wasting anything, so we are basically using all the plastic and reusing the old stuff that's around the house. So yeah, I'm very happy how it turned out. So I'm going to decorate like so in my front porch. So yeah, this is done. And for the other project, I just prepared the sheet. I cut the sheet, the vinyl shelf liner according to the size, and I'll have to make some more preparation for this, and I'll be back. So there you have it, guys, the final result of the tabletop that I was trying to do. And I covered it on all the three sides, basically four sides, top and the bottom. I didn't do it because that won't be shown. So I also stuck all the edges of the all the corners, or all the four corners, with jute twine, just to cover the raw edges. Per se, there were no raw edges, so but I also wanted to give like if at all there are any raw edges, it will show ugly. So, and also I wanted to give like a decor look to it, so I covered jute twine like that. Let me show you quickly. Like that. Isn't that pretty? So yeah, this is the top for the small stool or table, whatever you can call. And these bottles that I was showing, that I was working on painting, and what I did was I just covered the burlap ribbon, the mouth of the bottle, with the burlap ribbon like that to give a decor. And I covered all the ridges with this jute twine. And I also wanted to give like a beautiful decor to the window, kind of a look in a bottle. So yeah, so I just don't want to make it look like a bottle. Instead, I want to make it look like a leg of a stool. So this is a look I gave. So the plan is to keep it like this and upside down like this. So I'm going to stick all the four legs like this, and using the super glue and my glue gun. So yeah, let's get to it. Hey guys, welcome back. So this is the final outcome of what I wanted to do. The cardboard box has turned into the tabletop that I wanted to give it as. I would say like a stool top. And also this cranberry juice bottles, I wanted to give like a leg of the stool. So I think it's looking like a leg, not a juice bottle. So I tried my best. So yeah, this is what I wanted to give a look to it. And this one is one of the candle. I spoke about this, the candle that broke holder. So I just got like a flower vase, and I decorated with a tiny fairy which grows in water. When you put in water and it grows bigger, that kind of I got this in a toy section. So, and I also decorated her with two pebbles inside and a flower to give her a fairy garden home for her. And I also gave like four leaves into a flower shape with a dewdrop on top. So I wanted to just decorate like this in my front porch, and this would be used around the house to keep something. So yeah, these are the two things I want to share with you from something that you could throw into the trash. So I made use of it and made into a decor piece. So yeah, I'm very happy how it turned out. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe, and yeah, like, share, and don't forget to click on the bell icon for me. And I'll see you next time. Thank you so much for watching.